The most famous real-world example is COMPAS, short for Correctional Offender Management Profiling for Alternative Sanctions. This is a risk assessment tool used in criminal sentencing and parole decisions across the United States. It takes in factors about an individual and produces a score predicting the likelihood they will reoffend. In 2016, the investigative newsroom ProPublica published a landmark analysis of COMPAS scores for approximately 7,000 defendants in Broward County, Florida. What they found shook the criminal justice world. ProPublica found that Black defendants who did not go on to reoffend were nearly twice as likely to be incorrectly flagged as high risk compared to white defendants in the same situation. In the paper, filed under the method behind the reporting, the false positive rate for Black defendants was 44.9%, compared to 23.5% for white defendants. The false negative rate, flagging as low risk someone who did reoffend, was 28% for Black defendants versus 47.7% for white defendants. Controlling for prior crimes, age, and gender, Black defendants were 45% more likely to be assigned a higher risk score,